Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to use a Fandango gift card online. Now if you want to use a Fandango gift card but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the Fandango app on the device. So if you have not installed the Fandango app, you may simply install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you may simply open the Fandango app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So this is the homepage of Fandango, where you will see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as very upper taskbar. Now to use the gift card, you just need to search the movie you want to see and select the theater, date and the time. So let's say if I want to watch this movie, or you'll see the option of movies which are available in this area. So you just need to select the movie, and from here you need to choose the seat which you want to look. So after selecting the seat, you just need to proceed to checkout, and on the payment page you just need to look for the option which says use Fandango gift card. So after clicking on the option of use Fandango gift card, you just need to enter your gift card number, which is usually a 16-digit code, and from there you just need to enter your pin and click on the option of apply. So after clicking on the option of apply, you will be able to use the Fandango gift card online on your device. So that's it. That's how you can use the Fandango gift card. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.